In this brief tutorial, we will see how to download and install Microsoft Teams and some of its main features. The first step is to open your web browser and search for Microsoft Teams. Now you have to click on the first link. Okay, so now this is the official Microsoft Teams page. Here I'm going to click on this option which says download. Choose Teams for work or school on the right hand side. You will be notified once it finished downloading. After downloading it, double click on it and install it. After the successful installation, you will get something like this as your first window. Here it is asking for your username and password. You have to put the correct username which is already given to you. Here you have to click OK and now you are good to go. What you are seeing here is the standard interface of Microsoft Teams. Over the left hand side you will see which is known as the navigation bar. Okay, so currently I am on the chat icon. The chat is ideal for communicating and sharing messages one-to-one, either between student to student or student to educator. You can reply to a chat or anything with this little white bar at the bottom. At the bottom of the chat icon you will see Teams, and once you click on Teams you will see your class. So we are currently in nursery C here, and on the left hand side these are known as channels. Your class can have any number of channels and one channel represent one subject or one group. You have to unhide some of these channels first so that you can see what's going on in different channels or subjects. You will find all the subjects related to your class, and apart from subjects there are few channels like Class Educator channel where parents and educators can come together and take part in discussion. Currently I am in the Journal channel, and on the right hand side you are seeing some of the notices. In this channel you will find all the important notices, news related to the class and the school. Now let's jump into English channel to see what's going on there. Here we can see homework had been posted by one of our educator. You can click on reply to start the conversation, to reply to the homework part. While replying to the conversation, you can use this attach icon to attach any file in the conversation. To show how it works, I am uploading a sample image here. I got this notification that the educator has liked my image. So you can see this little yellow icon which shows that educator has seen my image and acknowledged it. Okay, so one important thing which you should all do is go to a particular channel, or I say all the channels, click on the three dots, and here you will see this notification thing. You have to enable all the notification for all the channel. By doing this you will be notified timely whenever there is some activity occurring in any of the channel. So this is important. Now we will see how to join a live class or a live event. For this I have to go to Journal channel, and here there is this notification that there is this Eid assembly. We have to click here to join the special assembly at this particular time. So once you click here you will get something like this. Before joining the live video you can unmute yourself from this screen. You can see whether your camera is switched off or on, or if you want to switch on the camera you can do it, and once you have done your part then click join now. After joining you will see something like this. Actually this is the old event and no one is going to join now, So this is just for your understanding purposes that this is how you will join a particular event. Once the event is completed, you can click leave and you are out of the live event or live online class. Coming back to our class nursery C, if you are wondering how can you change your profile picture or display picture, you have to click on this circle at the top right which states your name, the initials. Once you click on it, you will see the option of uploading your picture. Choose your picture and upload it. Alright, if you are using Android, open your Play Store and search for Teams or Microsoft Teams. After the successful installation, you will get the login page where you have to put your username and password. The interface of this app is quite clean. At the bottom you will see all the icons. This is your navigation bar. The first is activity, then chat, then Teams, and these are the three main icons which you have to concentrate on. So the activity tab, the activity icon will give you all the notifications at one place. The chat icon, and the Teams icon is where you will find your class nursery C or any other class which you are added in. You can unhide these hidden channels like we have done in the desktop app. Let's see how our English channel looks like on this app. After clicking on English channel, we can see our old homework. So this is how it will look like here. Once you are at a particular post, on the top right of that post you will see three dots. Once you click on that, you will find various other tools, various other functions for copying, forwarding, saving that particular post. So try all these in your free time. You will get to know what each function is all about. If you have more than one kid studying at the school, you can add both of their accounts simultaneously in Microsoft Teams app. Suppose you have 4 kids studying here at Blossoms, you can add all of their accounts and then switch between those accounts without logging in again and again. For this, click on your profile picture on the top right and you will get a sidebar. At the bottom of this sidebar, you will get the option to add the account. So we are at the end of the video, and if you want to use Teams without putting too much strain on your eyes and simultaneously increasing your battery life, you should switch to the dark theme, which you can easily change by clicking your profile picture, then settings and then appearance. Thank you and have a nice day.